Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to send high quality video in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, get into WhatsApp app. So here it is. Now go to the user you want to send the video. Let's go for this one and click on this attachment icon over here and click on gallery. Now send any video you want and click on send. If you look at this video, you can see the quality of the video is reduced. To send the high quality video, we need to go to our folder or the files and choose the video we want to send. So let's select this video and share it to the WhatsApp you want to send and click on OK. Now you can see the quality of video is not reduced. So this is all we need to do to send high quality video in WhatsApp. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.